Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iMessage is signed out error on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're having the issue that your iMessage is signed out, so let's see how can you fix the error. So the very first thing, you have to make sure that you are connected to stable and strongest internet connection, and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. And once you have that, you have to go for settings, and here you have to go for apps and then select messages app from here. And here you will get a toggle in front of iMessage. You have to disable it, then enable it, and then wait for the loading here. And once the loading has been completed, you have to disable it again, then enable it again. So it will make a refresh into your iMessage system settings. So once you have done that, you just have to go back, and here you have to open your iMessage. So it might be that your problem will be fixed, or if this method doesn't work for you, you have to open your settings again, and you have to check if there any software update available into your iPhone, or if you have any pending software update, try to update your software, and then you have to retry, and then you have to go to your Apple ID, and you have to make sure that you have a Apple ID signed in here. Or if you doesn't have any Apple ID, so it might be the issue. So you have to log in or sign in your Apple ID here, and once you have that, it will almost fix your issue. Or if this all method doesn't work for you, you just have to make a force restart your phone. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button, wait for your phone until it goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button, and wait for your phone until it goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you have to wait for the Apple logo here. And here, once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So once the phone has been restarted, it will fix your issue. So in this way, you can easily fix if you are having the issue that your iMessage is signed out. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.